Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To install APK files without a package installer, you can use ADB, Android Debug Bridge. First, ensure you have ADB installed on your PC and USB debugging enabled on your Android device. Connect your device to the PC via USB. Open a command prompt or terminal window in the directory where ADB is installed. Type the command, ADB install your appname.apk, replacing your appname.apk with the APK file's name. This method allows for direct installation of APK files without needing a package installer app.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.